testing out our new whips from Kemimoto. We just threw them on here quickly and just doing a quick little walk around for you guys. As you can see, they cycle through all the modes and they kind of, I don't know, they're freaking sweet anyways. Look at that. Looks super deadly with the Pro Box. There we go. Not quite dark enough to get the full effect, but as you can see, they look freaking fantastic, and they're very affordable. They have lots of cool things on their site. You guys make sure you go check them out. I'll put the link in the description, and right on. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe, and see you guys soon. Cheers.